यार आयुषी, बचपन में जो हम मैगी के वो मसाला पैकेट्स खाते थे, यू नो दैट वाज लाइक चाइल्डहुड कोकेन फॉर मी. थोड़ा सा खाया एंड आई वाज जेन्युइनली सो हाई खा के, एंड रात के टाइम पे स्पेशली.
I think any time पे Maggi, not just the masala, मतलब don't judge, but I used to like to eat the raw Maggi,
अच्छा, that-
noodle also.
Oh.
Yeah, I think like that 2 minute thing, even though it was a scam, it's not really 2 minutes, it's totally marketing, like our life was a lie, but then I think we kept falling into that lie because we loved Maggi so much and we still do, it's still a survival
True.
business.
You know, even today when I make Maggi, वो थोड़ा सा मैं रखती हूँ पैकेट में so that I can lick it. एकदम मजा आता है. I genuinely do. And फिर मम्मा ना मुझे से देखेगी कि इसके लिए चलता है, इसके लिए चलता है.
And it's so
This-
versatile that so many things
है
you
ना?
can put in the Maggi and still it tastes, it's Maggi.
It's Maggi. I don't know, but मुझे ना वो दूसरे जो यमीज नहीं, क्या था उसका नाम,
Yippies.
yippies and वाइवा एंड ऑल, मुझे नहीं. आई जस्ट लव मैगी एंड मैगी इट इज़ फॉर मी. लाइक बीच में बंद हुआ था मैगी. आई वॉज सो हार्ट ब्रोकन एंड आई ट्राइड. सो आई लव कुकिंग, ठीक है. सो आई यूज टू ट्राई कि ये मसाला डालो, वो मसाला डालो, ये. बट आई वॉज सो हार्ट ब्रोकन कि वो आता ही नहीं था टेस्ट. एंड जिस दिन मैगी आया, उस दिन मैंने सबके लिए मैगी बनाया. क्या उस लाइक आज होगी मैगी पार्टी भाई.
But yeah, Yippies and Vai Vai I don't mind. I like.
You like?
I like Vai Vai.
अच्छा.
Because वो चाट जैसा बना के ना, it's a great snack.
No, so
It's very
the
nice.
masala also like proper Maggi के तरह से, या you just use the noodles, raw noodles?
So Vai Vai you can even snack it.
Okay.
So that way I like it. Yippee I like because the soup is tasty.
Soup is tasty.
Yeah.
So I like थोड़ा सा less soupy.
Okay.
तो that's why वो yippee में ज़्यादा soup हो जाता है मुझे लगता है. So that's why I feel bad. Yeah, but I think also Maggi में वो school में हम cakes लेके जाते थे, याद है Maggi cakes?
Please.
You did not take that. हमारे स्कूल में होता था. So we were a group of 7, 8, 5, 6 people, 7, 8 people. तो आज तू लाना, कल मैं लाऊंगी, ताकि हमको रोज थोड़ा खाने मिले.
I did not. And जो लाते थे Maggi cake, I used to sit like 2 benches apart because
You
I
can- so
don't
you-
like that consistency of Maggi when it's like. I know it's a very like nostalgic thing,
It is
and
a very
I relate to the nostalgia part, but I don't relate to the I like it part.
Get it?
But I think Maggi is just one of the so many other food. I would say not food, but like what would I?
Food जो vanish हो गए
Yeah,
थे,
like
वापस आ गए,
food,
nostalgic
which we
foods.
used to love. And I don't think I have a snack right now which I would say that I love this snack, but then I had so many back then and they all have vanished and it makes us look like we are getting older. But yeah, that today's episode is about that.
Hi, this is Ishika.
Hi, this is Ayushi. Welcome to Said and Done podcast.
This is a podcast where clarity, chaos and career collide.
We work 9 to 5 and on Sundays we meet at cafes to talk about food that we have lost.
From personality growth to societal shifts, we think deeply, we talk freely, and we always ask
Why? And today we are asking where did our favorite childhood snacks go?
go. And also, oh, Bonvita. Did you eat
अच्छा
है
लगता था
ना?
यार।
मैं Bonvita खास so कॉम्प्लान से हाइट बढ़ती है, जो कि मेरी उतनी बड़ी नहीं है, बट ठीक है. नहीं, आई एम 5'3". ओके, व्हाटएवर. सो कॉम्प्लान आता था मेरे घर पे कि उसके लिए, बट देन बॉर्नवीटा मैं खास रखती थी ताकि आई कैन हैव इट. वो ऐसे चाट के खाओ. अगेन दिस इज लिकिंग. बट देन इतना मज़ा आता था ना वो खा के. एंड समटाइम्स व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज मैगी खाओ और साथ में कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, या कोल्ड कॉफ़ी तो तब मम्मा नहीं देती थी, बट ऐसे ठंडा दूध पियो एंड उसके साथ में थोड़ा सा ऐसे सॉरी बॉर्नवीटा का वो साइड में रख दो और वो ऐसे ऐसे लेके खाओ. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी pleasant and it made me feel like home. Very comforting meal back then.
And
बहुत.
I don't know if you have done that. I am sure like some people would relate to it. Horlicks, normal powder वाला,
हाँ
and
जी.
उसमें चीनी डाल के. You just have it with the spoon,
Oh.
and
no, I
it's like
have not
super sweet, but the texture is like powder and the crystals of sugar. and it's like crunchy in your mouth now that I think of it, because I've totally cut off sugar. But it was really nice that time.
No, so I was not a Horlicks girl. I did not like Horlicks. Also because I was never a sweet tooth. So abhi bhi I need my coffee, my drinks, my everything less sweet. I cannot have it. तो मेरे घर पे भी कुछ भी बनता है ना तो वो अलग से मेरे लिए निकलता है because less sweet. I have my chai without sugar and everything. So yeah. Also sweet के नाम पे मुझे ध्यान में आया what people have started doing now is having ice creams with samosas. Have you seen that weird food combinations?
Yes, and I don't know why these things come up on my Insta feed, because it really makes me
Cheese.
wanna puke. And cheese on everything.
वड़ा पाव उन्होंने उल्टा वड़ा पाव
हर
बना
चीज़
दिया है
में if you
अभी.
put 10 cubes of cheese, it's not going to taste better. It's just going to taste like cheese. So you might just have a cube of cheese.
You know-
because हर चीज़ में. So there are dosas with cheese. There are pancakes with cheese. There are samosas with cheese. There are so many things with
वड़ा
cheese.
पाव with cheese, fries के ऊपर cheese. भाई मतलब and इतना यार अभी तो पता है उस दिन I was having this croissant, उसके ऊपर उन्होंने इतना चीज़ डाल दिया. बर्गर में some cheeses I don't like burger with cheese, but अभी तो वो sizzling cheese burger है.
हर चीज़ में cheese डालना is not.
ऑमलेट में चीज़.
See,
अभी मुझे लगता है कि बटर चिकन के बदले चीज़ चिकन भी आना शुरू हो जाएगा थोड़े से टाइम में.
I think the time is not very far that this
I do
happens.
think so that. Also पता है वड़ा पाव में यार वड़ा पाव का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? पाव के अंदर वड़ा डालो और चुपचाप खाओ. उल्टा वड़ा पाव क्या होता है?
हाँ,
that
उल्टा
is
वड़ा पाव
ब्रेड
है
पकौड़ा. क्योंकि
Yes, that's bread pakora.
ब्रेड के बीच में तुम आलू का मसाला
And उसको
डालते हो.
पकौड़ा बना रहे हो.
हाँ, so that is bread पकौड़ा. That's not उल्टा वड़ा पाव guys. Grow up. Sorry, but grow up.
But
That's
grown-up
not.
people are doing this.
That's true.
And apart from all these things, I think nostalgia also brings us back to bites. Also brings us back to Phantom. So those who
Phantom
don't
sweet
know
cigarettes.
Phantom, it looks like a cigarette. It comes in a red box and the mint colored cigarettes. And apparently it was banned in around I think 2011 because parents thought that it is
inculcating
inculcating
that
the
sense
smoking
of
culture.
smoking because वो cool the even today ना so I don't smoke but वो मिलता है ना so
You
like
feel
ऐसा-
like a Bollywood mafia
हाँ.
somehow if you have a Phantom in your hand. So like today's people have vape, we used to have Phantom.
Phantom cigarettes. So उस दिन ना I got this. So there is this I don't know, I forgot the name of the website where ना वो सब nostalgic
मिल रहा है अभी,
चीजें
हाँ,
मिल
मैंने
रहा है.
देखा, हाँ.
तो वहाँ पे ना उसमें Phantom cigarettes आई थी उसके बॉक्स में मेरे साथ. तो मैंने वो लिया and I was in hostel back then. तो मैंने ना ऐसे वो करके मम्मी को फोटो भेजा लूँ मम्मा I'm smoking. तो मम्मी बोलती है चुप करिए वो तेरी स्वीट सिगरेट्स है मुझे पता है. I'm like यार but yeah that's true. तो I think in a way वो बैन करना was also a good decision. But I really miss those Phantom cigarettes. And you know वो आम कैंडी कुछ तो आता था that लीची वाली गोली आती थी.
हाँ लीची वाली गोली. And also one more thing now that we talk about Phantom, तो हमारे स्कूल के सामने there used to be those little shops where we used to also get golden coins का chocolate.
हाँ, अरे हमारे स्कूल के सामने पता है they used to मतलब मुझसे कुछ होता था वाइट कलर का then उसमें ना रेड ग्रीन और ब्लू कलर का ऐसा सीधा सीधा लाइन समथिंग होता था and they used to pull it ऐसा बबल गम के जैसे and then they used to make उसमें से peacock or something and we used to chew it and everything. वो बहुत ही different. It tasted like bubble gum but
Bubble
it
gum.
had a minty flavor but you used to swallow that. Also talking about bubble gum, Boomer,
Boomer, I think that was the first chewing gum जिससे मैंने bubble बनाना सीखा था because we used to get those TTIs, the telegraph in school, I think on all Wednesdays. So उधर एक step by step मतलब एक boomerang चिपका हुआ था. I mean boomer चिपका हुआ था.
Boomerang, Gen Z kids, Instagram.
That's what we both are doing. So एक boomer चिपका हुआ था and उसमें process लिखा हुआ था. So I was so excited that I came back from school and I tried it and it work.
Actually work.
Yeah, so I was very excited, and that's why I think I have some special connection with Boomer.
Right.
That was the first time I
there
learned
was-
how to bubble.
There was one also. So ये ना normal places में नहीं मिलता. But if you go on highways तो वो ढाबास वगैरह होते हैं ना, यहाँ पर ये मिलती है. There's a chewing gum, and वो टाइम में बूमर वगैरह 1 रुपी की आती थी. This used to come for 3 rupees. I clearly remember. And वो ऐसे इतनी ऐसे स्क्वायर शेप्ड होती थी, and उसमें ना टैटू होता था. तो याद है वो वाला
jelly kind of thing inside.
जेली, वो ही होता था, च्युइंगम ही होता था, बट जेली च्युइंगम.
Jelly chewing gum, yes.
एंड ऑल्सो वो ना स्टिक करके रखो भाई, वो कितना टेस्टी. सो उसका टेस्ट थोड़ा डिफर करता था, बट उसका टेस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा था. बट आई यूज्ड टू बाय इट
Buy
फॉर
for
द
the tattoo.
टैटू.
Exactly, I was going to say that. Who used to buy it for the taste? We used to buy it for the tattoo.
एंड देन वो वाले याद है, वो ऑरेंज कलर की गोली, वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वो जो सॉफ्ट में जो अलग अलग आता है ना,
हाँ,
वो
हाँ,
अभी
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
मिलता है, बट नॉट दैट काइंड. वो ऑरेंज कैंडीज,
Orange candies, and I think it's the
कोला, पेप्सा
Pepsi
कोला.
I don't know whether you have heard about this story, but then my mom used to say that don't have those colas because they are made out of drain का वो पानी.
हाँ.
And then I used to imagine कि okay drain के पानी से बच्चे लोग निकाल के, I mean people निकाल के उसमें कलर डाल के, मीट स्वीट डाल के बेच रहे होंगे. So I used to not have it. I had it maybe like once or twice in my life.
So
With
what-
full guilt.
सो वॉट आई यूज टू डू इज वो ना, तो जब हम कजन्स मिलते थे ना, तो हम चुपके से जाके ले लेते थे, बट उसका ना वो कलर यहाँ पे आ जाता था, तो कितना भी छुपा
I mean if you're
होता,
having that cola and your tongue is not orange, do you really have it?
तो मम्मी ऐसे पकड़ लेती थी, खाया ना, तब उतना समझता नहीं खाया. फिर मम्मी बोलती जीभ दिखा, फिर समझा धीरे धीरे. तो देन आई स्टॉप्ड हैविंग इट, बट वो भी एक था. एंड देन ऑल्सो यू रिमेंबर वो मेलोडी के जैसी एक, और वो अभी तो चॉकलेट्स आने लगे हैं,
Chocolates.
बट वो इक्लेयर्स वगैरह जो ओरिजिनल इक्लेयर्स थी ना.
I used to like eclairs. I
I
did
love-
not like chocolates so much because वो ज़्यादा ही sweet हो रहा था. But eclairs का I like that when you bite on it
बाइट
then
तो वो फूट के आता है,
हाँ.
कितना मजा आता है.
even कच्चा मैंगो बाइट. Do you remember the advertisement उसका कि आम
पहले
को
कच्चा मैंगो बाइट भी जेरोक्स करते
हाँ
थे उसका.
आम देते हैं कि डिफरेंट और भी आम बना दो एंड देन वो प्रिंट हो के इतना सारा
कच्चा
कच्चा मैंगो
mango
बाइट आ
bite
जाता
आता
है एंड इट वाज सो नाइस.
यार आई मिस दोस ओल्ड डेज.
Yeah.
पहले लगता था कि यार ये सब, अभी ना उसका इम्पोर्टेंस रियलाइज हो रहा है कि उस टाइम पे वी शुड हैव.
अच्छा, टेल मी वन मोर थिंग, सॉरी टू कट यू ऑफ. डिड यू हैव दैट जलजीरा का पैकेट नटराज बॉटल ग्रीन कलर का छोटा सा पैकेट, हजमोला एंड जलजीरा एट वन
ग्रीन
पॉइंट.
कलर का पैकेट आता था, उसको से
हाँ वही, ये टक के लिए मैं खाती थी एंड वो टक करते थे. मतलब एक बार ऐसा हो गया कि आई वाज नॉट एबल टू हैव सम अदर फूड बिकॉज इट वाज लाइक फुल क्रैश हो गया था, बर्न हो गया था.
हाँ.
बट देन आई
जलजीरा वाज
Yes.
आल्सो लव यार. ओह गॉड, आई रियली मिस द ओल्ड डेज नाउ.
मुझे अभी खाने का मन कर रहा है.
मुझे भी बहुत. अब तो आ गया पेरी पेरी. पुराना
जलजीरा
has become
is
the new peri
replaced
peri
by
now.
cold coffee.
जलजीरा कैसे कोल्ड कॉफी? जलजीरा
अरे
is
मतलब-
replaced by पेरी पेरी.
हाँ मतलब मैं उसका बेवरेज
अच्छा,
वाला
वैसे,
फॉर्म का
हाँ.
बता रही हूँ.
ओह, हाँ.
तुम मसाला वाला फॉर्म का बता रही
मसाला बेवरेज.
हो.
अभी तो वो आने लगा.
But there's
अरे
some
यार वो-
snack conspiracy that's going on. Who is vanishing all our favorite food? The moment it becomes our favorites,
Kaya.
that's the moment that it vanishes.
Oh, did you have that Copico? The कॉफी वाला वो, and कॉफी बाइट्स भी तो आती थी. Don't remember कॉफी बाइट्स? अरे यार वो ऐसे छोटा छोटा,
उसका एक लंबा वाला, उसमें मतलब 10 का पैकेट आता था ना.
वो तो था ही, but then also the कॉफी बाइट्स, वो वही जो 10 वाला पैकेट है,
उसका ही छोटा वाला. Poppins.
क्या लोगे? नहीं क्या दो, क्या हो यार?
Poppins, हाँ Poppins का तो like different
बढ़िया
colors and
था.
the flavors.
क्या
and everything.
लोगे? Poppins. अबे यार क्या मस्त ऐड थी वो. ओ भाई.
Poppins is available अभी भी.
Is
But
it?
yes, I have
It
seen
is
it.
replaced by Chupa Chups.
Chupa Chups though is different, no?
I don't like Chupa Chups.
I don't like Chupa Chups, but I have seen Poppins. But I did not buy because अभी मन नहीं कर रहा था खा के. But then उस time पे I really
मैंने
enjoyed
Poppins
it.
नहीं देखा है. If you find it,
I'll
please
buy
get it from me.
Yes.
Thanks. So also, let's come to the now part. tell me, let's settle it once and for all. Do you like Domino's pizza or Pizza Hut pizza?
I think so people might agree or disagree, but I feel दोनों का positioning is very different. Like Domino's tapped into that market where they had put that Indian twist, like achari, tikka, all the toppings, and McD tried to position it for the like fine dining families, for families who want
Pizza Hut,
who
huh?
want the authentic pizza, this thing, and even that's why the prices were also, and I think yeah, Domino's, the pricing was also very different, which was very comfortable for people to try and then decide like to or like or not like. So I prefer Domino's, even though I'm not such a pizza person. So if I have to choose, then Domino's. What about you?
I feel that Domino's because घर पे आके भी ना Domino's ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था and Pizza Hut का ना there was this barbecue chicken वाला I loved that. उसके अलावा Domino's का पेपी पनीर was my favorite. Farmhouse Domino's का was my favorite.
Farmhouse Domino's I've had, and I
And
really
then
like
they
it.
ruined me when they brought in the cheese burst pizza. Why cheese?
वो
चीज
ना-
ऊपर
उसका-
से है, उसके अंदर चीज
अंदर
क्यों
भी
डालनी है?
चीज़ है।
4 चीज पिज्जा की तुम ऐसे फोल्ड करो तो यहाँ से चीज अंदर चीज
This reminds me, मोमोज भी एक है ना, मोमोज का
मोमोज का
पिज्जा.
पिज्जा हाँ दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस न्यू थिंग बर्गर पिज्जा भी तो दे हैव स्टार्टेड कि बर्गर पिज्जा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ
I don't
बर्गर
understand why people have to have everything at once. Why can't you order separate momo and separate pizza and not have the
Burger.
momos on pizza? Like how will you eat it? You have to take the momo separately and नहीं तो कैसा लगेगा यार?
No, so it is. I have not tried, but what I think is it's the shape that they give is the momos ka
No, no,
shape.
no, no, no. I've seen the toppings is momo.
So instead of the paneer and all, they put momo on
Yes,
top of
you
it.
want to see?
No, bro,
अच्छा,
no,
I'll
मतलब
show you.
हाँ.
ज़्यादा बह गई.
कोई नहीं.
हाँ.
No, but oh god. So when we have come to this part, let's play a rapid fire now.
Sure.
Okay. Tell me, do you like fries with ketchup or fries with ice cream?
Fries with.
It's a rapid fire, Ayushi.
Okay, come again. फिर से starting से start करते
Okay.
हैं.
Again. Fries with ketchup, fries with ice cream.
Fries with ketchup.
Bites or perk?
Bites.
I love. Rasgulla or gulab jamun?
Rasgulla. I'm from Kolkata. Can't be
You go
disloyal to that.
Pepsi or Coke?
None. Not a soft drink
pan?
person.
Soda pan? Soda.
Soda what? If I have to drink something, I'll have cold coffee.
No, but then.
No, I don't like any
Dairy
cold
and
coffee.
drink.
No, 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 no.
Domino's की garlic bread या फिर McDonald's की fries?
I like fries, so McDonald's के fries.
Maggie at 2 a.m. or chai at 6 a.m. Or
Maggie. I'm
chai
not
or
a chai person.
coffee? Chai or coffee?
Coffee.
So then Maggie or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee. Changed? Okay. Chocolate in fridge or chocolate वो पिघला हुआ?
पिघला हुआ. Any day. Any day.
Again licking. Popcorn sweet or salty?
Salty.
Mixed. I love
No,
it.
you
mixed.
like caramel one?
I like it with the cheese one.
Cheese caramel.
Cheese and caramel दोनों mix
Mix
करो
करके.
and then one will have it. So this is like gulab jamun with ice cream वाला combination.
Are you
The
proud of
caramel-
it?
No, I don't like gulab jamun उतना, but gulab jamun and ice cream. So this is a guilty pleasure kind of a thing wherein the cult has become की है, but I support the cult. It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not. And now that you say gulab jamun and ice cream, brownie and ice cream.
हाँ.
Rapid fire. Though the questions were yours, but now the answers will also be yours. Fries with ketchup or fries with ice cream?
Fries with ketchup.
Bites or pork?
Bites.
Rasgulla or gulab jamun?
Can I say ras malai?
No, that's not in the option.
Rasgulla.
Thank God. Maggie at 2 a.m. or chai at 6 a.m.
Chai at 6 a.m.
Regular chai or green tea पिएगी तू?
So the moment I wake up, it would be green tea. But if I'm up for a long time and I have a long day ahead, then the normal regular chai.
Pepsi or Coke? Domino's garlic bread or McD's fries.
I love garlic bread more, so yeah.
स्कूल कैंटीन का समोसा या कॉलेज पॉइंट मैगी.
School canteen samosa.
सीरियसली
Yeah,
ठंडा होता है वो.
nostalgia hit कर रहा है मुझे अभी फिलहाल. But if you ask me samosa or Maggi, I'll definitely say Maggi. But the thing is, college point Maggi एक साल पहले था. School samosa was 10-12 years back. So I'm getting
This
that.
reminds, do you remember school canteens? It was like the first time that we are buying food for ourselves and we used to कॉन्ट्री करके. हाँ, and बहुत ही like we used to plan that इस दिन हम टिफिन्स नहीं लाएंगे.
हाँ.
And we all used to bring like 50 rupees, 100 rupees, and then we used to do कॉन्ट्री and everything. And then we used to buy पानी पूरी and like चाउमीन. रसना मिलता था हमारे स्कूल में. So that was very
वड़ा
nice.
पाव, वो चाइनीज भेल मिलती थी हमारे.
हाँ,
school
चाइनीज
में.
भेल इज अ मुंबई थिंग. यस.
हाँ, so
Yeah.
वो सब it was fun. कभी
Yeah.
वो खाओ. Then हमारे स्कूल के सामने ना they used to sell those small samosas.
Okay.
जो मतलब अगर ऐसे देखोगे तो इतना बड़ा अगर एक आलू होगा तो उसमें फिट हो जाएगा. इतना
अच्छा.
छोटे छोटे समोसे.
Okay.
But they were so tasty. And हमारा स्कूल 12:15 को ख़त्म होता था. By 12:45 उसके सारे समोसे ख़त्म. वो ऐसे डब्बे इतने बड़े डब्बे में और वो इतने छोटे छोटे थे तो सोचना कितने सारे हो गए. बट सारे समोसे खत्म. एंड मुझे इतने पसंद थे ना तो मैं एक बार घर पे भी नहीं गई थी. मम्मी को भी पसंद आए थे तो once in 2 months or something मैं ऐसे ले जाती थी घर पे. चलो आज समोसा पार्टी करेंगे. So that was also fun.
Yeah, even fruity for that matter. I'm a big fruity fan. So I said that I don't like Coke and Pepsi. So the only beverage that I would have apart from cold coffee and everything is fruity. I love fruity. I don't like slice or maza so much, but I like fruity and I still have fruity.
No, I don't because it's
Sometimes.
very sweet. And the
Yeah.
consistency is very thick, right?
That's
So
what I
वो
mean.
ना मुझे वो बहुत ज़्यादा sweety वो कर देता है. And then so I have this problem कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा sweet खाती हूँ ना तो my mouth something happens. So it's not sensitivity, but it's something. I don't know what happens,
Yeah.
and I feel puking or something of that sort. So I don't have उतना ज़्यादा sweet.
फ्रूटी तो लाइक मेरे फ्रेंड्स को पता था. तो लाइक MBA में बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हूँ मैं और समथिंग. देन माई फ्रेंड्स वुड ब्रिंग फ्रूटीज फ्रॉम द नाइट कैंटीन एंड देन वी वुड सिट एट द कॉलेज स्टेयर्स एंड देन बात करते
That's
हैं.
also kind of very therapeutic. पता है खाली एक
Yeah.
चीज़ तुमको पता है, एक चीज़ तुमने रखा है, and
हाँ.
then your friends come and then give that to you when you're stressed. It's a very comforting thing to do.
And food is such an important part of our lives. It's like for example festivals. Diwali's में food like गुजिया, नान खटाई, right? And then होली में ठंडाई and
वो
all.
क्या होता है के से I forgot the name. Guys, comment down below if you know the name. करंजी. मैंने ही बोल दिया पर फिर भी comment कर दी तो.
Yeah, so
Correct.
food somehow. So for example, if you are even like if you're not spending Holi with your family,
हाँ.
you will just have
गणपति में
ठंडाई
मोदक.
with- हाँ, गणपति में मोदक.
वो
Those are like very symbolic of the festivals
true,
in
true,
India.
true. Then क्रिसमस के टाइम पे आजकल तो वो जिंजर गार्लिक ब्रेड
हाँ, garlic
एंड
bread. Sorry,
जिंजर गार्लिक ब्रेड नहीं सॉरी जिंजर ब्रेड सॉरी
Ginger bread.
जिंजर ब्रेड
वही
एंड
मैं सोची
देन
गार्लिक ब्रेड बोल के कुछ तो गलत बोल दिया.
जिंजर ब्रेड एंड देन फिर उसके साथ में हॉट चॉकलेट.
Yes.
आई लव हॉट चॉकलेट.
So recently, like last year, we had a girls' night in with these gingerbreads, cold coffee, and a movie.
Nice.
So it was very comfy,
Cute,
cozy,
cute, cute.
and a different kind of Christmas for me.
What we used to do is Christmas movie लगा देते थे. Then we used to get those ice cream tubs. And वो Ben and Jerry's का आता है ना छोटू छोटू ऐसा
हाँ,
वाला
हाँ,
टब.
हाँ, हाँ.
वो मंगा लेंगे. Then we used to get those cupcakes. Then waffle अगर कभी मन किया तो because वो waffle आते आते थोड़ा वो हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
But then ऐसे करके then we used to order in coffees. And then coffees फिर हम हॉस्टल में बनाते थे. Like we used to have those kettles and induction and everything. तो वो हम बनाते थे था. So वो अलग टाइप का फन होता था कि talking about that.
Yeah.
Our things, talking about our things.
Yes.
Making बनाते बनाते बात करो. Then उसके बाद में जब बैठे हो खाने के लिए तब watch movie. And हमारा was Mean Girls. हमने भी बहुत
हाँ,
किया है
Mean
Mean
Girls.
Girls, but हमारा was Mean Girls. वैसे girly pop movies होती है ना. We
बहुत
used to watch. Also
बॉन्डिंग
Harry
बहुत
Potter.
है। हाँ, हैरी
Harry
पॉटर
Potter.
बट आई फील इट्स लाइक अ लॉन्ग।
It's a long वो तो हमारा ऐसे मैराथन हो जाता था
हाँ.
कि करना है then we used to sit and watch those movies कभी खुशी कभी गम मैं हूँ ना and then हम लोग है ना कैरेक्टर्स अपने फ्रेंड्स को असाइन करते थे जैसे कि ये है ये है and then we तो कल मैं हूँ ना में there is this राम मेजर राम एंड वो तो हमारे उसमें ना लिटरली फाइट हो गया था कि नहीं मैं मेजर राम हूँ मैं भाई सो किडिश थिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू डू बट दिस इज वेरी ऑफ टॉपिक फ्रॉम द फूड थिंग बट नॉस्टैल्जिया हिट हो गया गाइस वी आर सॉरी
And just where you said ice cream tubs, how ice creams has evolved. Ice creams have evolved, right?
True.
Like previously we used to have like quality walls, Amul, and all.
Delicious.
Yes, and then the Vadilal. Now we have like naturals, Baskin
I love
Robbins.
naturals. I love that.
Yeah, then NIC. So how ice creams have also evolved and gotten into that sophisticated.
हाँ true
Yeah.
true so naturals का भी तो पूरा concept you know the natural का story you know what naturals का story is how they started naturals actually बहुत सही है मुझे बहुत inspiring लगता है उनका वो story.
Yes. And I really enjoy naturals ice cream.
True. But I feel you know what if weird so there are many weird food combinations but I think if weird food combinations are wrong then I think I never want to be right because that's the essence of it यार कि मतलब
That's
you're
the fun
trying
part.
that's the fun part कि हम judge करते हैं also they have started chocolate with everything you know chocolate sandwich chocolate pizzas chocolate momos chocolate dosas
I think
don't
they
like
are
that.
chair-charing dosa a lot. I think we are again getting back into that loop of weird combinations, but there's so many to list. So we
You
would
cannot
rather
stop.
want you to also
ice cream
list
pakora
some fried ice cream. I have tried that.
I am judging you now
I tried that for the curiosity part that ice cream को कैसे fry कर दिया. तो मैंने process की video देखा and then I ordered one. I would not regret it, but I would say कि I would recommend कि have at least once for the experience. It's not such a great experience. It comes like a fried brown ball, and then you have to cut it, and the ice cream oozes out.
it's kind of giving me chocolates wala wo that it bursts in your mouth that kind of
No, that
Oh.
was better.
obviously that's better bro that is
This is just something like how can you fry an ice cream? So just that question will be answered if you just try it once.
I don't
Like
wanna
that.
answer that question but okay so state in the comments that what food combinations you like what are the various food combinations you have tried and you know there is a cult for all the weird food combinations people who like weird food combinations and people who don't. So I don't like all of them but yeah so if you're supporting any kind of weird food combinations comment that below and share it with your friends जिनके साथ आपने ये weird food combinations try किए हैं आपको fried ice cream पसंद है या नहीं
And
वो भी
also, what were
बताइए।
your nostalgic childhood snack?
what are the food items that you remember and you don't get nowadays like bites तो सच में पूरा ही बंद हो गया you don't find bites and you don't find
one more trivia. So bites got like closed down because of the sales number
हाँ,
were
right,
going down. But there are online petitions to bring back
हाँ,
bites. There are
तो
Facebook
बहुत
groups.
बहुत टाइम से
हाँ.
चल रहा है but
Nothing is happening.
let's create a petition also let's do something of that sort let's bring back bites guys
Yes.
है ना?
Then it would be a great.
comment down bites
achievement.
and we'll try something different बोलते हैं
Ishika has a lot of connections.
I do have. Yes. So let's catch you on the next episode of Said and
Said and
Done.
Done.
Bye.